better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, I'll be working with Arabella Hair. As you can see from the title, I've worked with them before. I've done curly hair with them before, and we are back at it again. But this time, we are back with a 26-inch 5x5 bohemian style lace closure unit, and it is literally to die for. Do you guys see these curls? Everything. And might I add, once it's dried down more, you'll get more of that like bohemian look that you see when girls go on vacation and they have like this not super loose but not super coily or tight curl. This is that pattern. So if you were trying to get your hands on that, this is definitely the unit for you. And also, once it dries down, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So if that's something you're looking forward to, definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in this description box if you'd like to purchase the unit off rip, which I would highly recommend because the curls are to die for. It was just so easy to work with, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install with my gorgeous wig from Arabella Hair.
I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. And all is all that shares my heart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and love is all that shares my heart. Love is all that shares my heart.
As the cash grows, get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. You could hit your bitch, you could never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch your contact, hit your ride, go to mom. Everybody say, how can you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you never heard? I like a black, a rapper's dead and bird. Convert for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". We just hit a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. I knew, yeah, I knew.
Perch up, I can make a brick walk. Up, north, down, south. Make it a ritual walk. Hit it with a little water. Stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I grab my ward. Book a fed and it's daughter. I'm a ready cut down. That's about a sugar and bread. I got a lady, she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that little, so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot like fries. I'm in that London with some big thighs. No fries, she steaks with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on 5 o'clock on the road? I've been on the road like a pair of spanners of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and he demon. Got your broad in the garage, he ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement. Clap, clap.
Meet me at the Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". We just hit a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. Yeah, I knew. I crush down with money. Waterfalls out of the whole place. Fall side. And I might down. Stick the walls out of the place. Fall side.
Okay everyone, so this is the end result, and this gorgeous wig is from Arabella Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 26-inch 5x5 lace closure unit. It is in a bohemian curly texture. It is their glueless curly 5x5 unit and I am loving it. This texture is everything. It was so easy to work with. To pluck the closure, to bleach, it took in under 20 minutes, which was absolutely insane. When I was bleaching it, I was on Instagram live and it took me no time to get it done, and plucking was also a breeze. So far so good. This hair is everything. The texture is gorgeous, literally to die for, and when it dries down, it's just gonna give you just dry waves, and I love that. So far it's giving a little bit of volume, and we just want it to dry down just a tad bit more so you guys can see, like, you know, that natural bohemian curly type of look that this wig brings off. So this is perfect for your vacations. I'm going to Mexico next month, so this wig is literally going to be so perfect for that. The hair was really easy to work with, super soft. It was easy for me to detangle, and yeah, that process was just a breeze. So if there's anything else you need to know, just go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And as always, don't forget to check the description box so you can see the links for this gorgeous wig from Arabella Hair. Super affordable, chef's kiss. Don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.